My hair went from this to this, and I'll be sharing with you guys a recipes that has been working for me. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make a powerful egg roll recipe using onions and unripe plantain peel. This combo has helped me with thickness, strength, and especially my edges. So first, I place all my onions on the chopping board. Red, white, and the light brown onions. I like mixing different types because each one brings something to the hair. Red onions boost circulation, white onions strengthen the roots, and the brown ones are packed with antioxidants to reduce shedding. I also bring in one unripe green plantain. Next, I peel off the outer layer of all the onions. Nothing special here, just getting them clean and ready. When everything is peeled, this is what it looks like, and this is what I'm working with. Now I slice every onion, medium slices, nothing too tiny, but small enough to release their nutrients when we boil them. After that, I move on to the plantain. I remove only the outer green peel, not the pulp. The peel is the most important part because it is rich in silica, potassium, and antioxidants, which help strengthen weak hair, improve elasticity, and reduce breakage easily. If your hair snaps easily, plantain peel is your friend. I slice the peel into smaller pieces so it infuses faster. Now, I place a pot on fire and add water. Once the water gets warm, not boiling, just warm, I add in all the sliced onions. Some people prefer to blend onions and squeeze out the juice. I don't. I prefer boiling because it's gentler on my scalp, reduces the strong onion smell, and it slowly extracts sulfur and antioxidant without irritation. So, if you have a sensitive scalp, like myself, or you hate the harshness of the raw onion juice, this method is better. After adding the onions, I go ahead and add the sliced unripe plantain. Then I let everything boil for a few minutes. As it boils, the water starts to change color, and that's how you know the nutrients are coming out. The sulfur from the onions and the minerals from the plantain peel. Once it's boiled enough, I let it cool down completely in a glassware so as to be able to help with my infusion. This extra cooling time helps the mixture to infuse even more and become stronger. After it cools, I strain it with a mesh strainer to get the liquid clean and smooth. Finally, I pour the mixture into an applicator bottle, and that is it. Simple and effective. To use it, apply directly to the scalp and especially around the edges. Massage gently so the nutrients can penetrate. It helps with breakage, thinning edges, slow growth, and overall hair health. Use it weekly and your hair will thank you for it.